This episode is on introduction to physical chemistry. Before proceeding to our episode, I want to declare that these episodes are not for profit or any type of commercial purpose. These episodes are only for helping chemistry students in their study and so when I am recording these episodes on my home, so you can hear sometimes some background sound of my family, my child, wife, etc. So don't negative comment any on it. If you don't interested, don't hear it. It's purely for helping purpose and it's recorded on home, not in any theater. Okay. Definition of physical chemistry. Physical chemistry is the branch of chemistry. Physical chemistry utilizes applications of physics to chemical systems to understand their physical properties. Physical chemistry is the study of atomic, subatomic, macroscopic, microscopic, or particulate phenomena in chemical systems in terms of different laws and concept of physics. Physical chemistry applies the principles and concept of physics such as thermodynamics, force, energy, time, motion, statistical mechanics, quantum chemistry, dynamics, and equilibrium. Physical properties of different types of chemical substances can be studied on different scales like atomic, subatomic, macroscopic, and microscopic. Atomic properties are properties related to atoms or elements. Atomic numbers, atomic weight, oxidation state, electron per cell, electronic configuration, and atomic radius are example of atomic properties. Now we take examples of carbon. So atomic properties of element carbon. Chemical symbol is capital C. Atomic number 6. Atomic weight, that is relative atomic mass, gram per mole, is 12.0107. Oxidation state. Carbon show variable oxidation states like -4, +2, +4. Electron per cell, K2L4. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Atomic radius 67 picometer. Subatomic properties are properties related to study of subatomic particles and research on energy and waves. This is part of advanced physical chemistry or nuclear chemistry. Microscopic properties are properties related to microscopic level like shape and structure of crystals and molecules with the use of light microscopes, electron microscope, or in the scanning probe microscopes. Macroscopic properties are properties of different of substances which describe how relatively large quantities of the substances behave as a group. For example, melting point, boiling point, vaporization, and latent heat of fusion. Specific heat capacity, thermal conductivity, coefficient of linear thermal expansion, and many other physical properties. For example, water exists in three states, that is solid ice, liquid water, gas steam. So another word I speak, that is solid, it is firm, and ice in which it exits water. So solid state of water we say ice, and liquid state of water we can say water, and gaseous stream of water we can say steam. When we cool steam, it turns into water, and on further cooling, water turns into ice. Branches of chemistry. Branches of physical chemistry. Physical chemistry have many branches. Some of them are described below. Electrochemistry, photochemistry, thermochemistry, spectroscopy, chemical kinetics, quantum chemistry, surface chemistry, solid state chemistry, biophysical chemistry. Now we understand on definition basis of some of these branches of chemistry. Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of relationship between electricity and chemicals. Photochemistry. Photochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the chemical effects of light. Photochemistry describes chemical reactions caused by absorption of ultraviolet radiation wavelength from 100 to 400 nanometer, visible light 400 to 750 nanometer, infrared radiations 750 to 2500 nanometer. Thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of energy and heat associated with chemical reactions and physical transformations. Spectroscopy. Okay. Spectroscopy is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiations. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rates of chemical process. Chemical kinetics is also known as reaction kinetics. Quantum chemistry. Quantum chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the application of quantum mechanics in physical models and chemical systems. Quantum chemistry is also known as molecular quantum mechanics. Surface chemistry. Surface chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of physical and chemical phenomena which occurs at the interface of two phases. Surface science include the field of surface chemistry and surface physics. Solid state chemistry. Solid state chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of structure, synthesis and properties of solid phase materials. Solid state chemistry also known as materials chemistry. Biophysical chemistry. Biophysical chemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the uses of concept of physics and physical chemistry for the study of biological interactions. Thank you. We will meet in our next episode.